Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 1 and 2. Arjuna said, "What is that Brahman? What is the Adhyatma? What is action? O best among men, what is declared to be the Adhibhuta? And what is Adhidaiva said to be?"
Chapter 8, Shloka 1. Arjuna uvacha kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam kim karma purushottama adhibhutam cha kim proktam adhidaivam kim uchyate.
Who and how is Adhiyagna here in this body, O destroyer of Madhu? And how at the time of death are you to be known by the self-controlled?
Chapter 8, Shloka 2. Adhiyajñakatam kotra dehesmin madhusudana prayanakale cha katam jñeyosi niyatatmabihi.
Chapter 8, Shloka 1 and 2. A perfect man of wisdom is one who can discriminate between the higher nature and the lower nature, and identifying with the higher plays in all joy and freedom in the fields of its lower manifestations. A man of wisdom not only has knowledge but has the experience of the self. He is also well integrated personality at all levels of existence and contacts with the world. He is a man of godly efficiency and balance in all situations and conditions at all times and places. How to bring the Vedantic ideals into practice is brought out in this chapter, and the relationship between the eternal spirit and the lower Prakriti, consisting of names and forms, has been indicated. The inexpressible, the absolute truth, has been indicated through exemplary definitions. A man of wisdom realizes the absolute essence, sustains the world, comes to master the world of objects, the organs of perceptions and action, and the instruments of comprehension, and proves himself to be a dynamic, successful doer all the time and everywhere. Everything is superimposed on the self, and by so knowing the self, everything becomes known. In these two shlokas, Arjuna questions Krishna with a view to get an exact definition of each term used by him. He also wants to know how one can realize the self at the time of death, when one has developed perfect self-control by sincere practice and discipline. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.